Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add to list in ClickUp. This is really simple and straightforward, so bear with me. First thing is just to click on the list that you want to add to. In order to add to this list, you will have to click on this plus icon which says create tasks, lists, docs, and more. Click on it, and as you can see, you can add task, add list, you can even add a doc, dashboard, whiteboard, or form, and imports, so you can add any of these spreadsheet files, document files, you name it. You can also add templates. So for sake of this tutorial, let's add a task. And as you can see, the task has been added to this list, task created, and you can name it, change everything about it, and that's it. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.